The use of neem cake, in its various forms, in gardening and farming for amending the soil is a well-known practice. In many ways, neem cake is a perfect form of fertilizer. Then, they have high enough levels of NPK nutrients to make them a huge help in organic gardens. Uses of neem cake. Neem cake can be used for several purposes, but mainly as an organic fertilizer to enrich the soil. Neem cake is full of NPK and is a good fertilizer for your soil. As neem is organic, it adds nutrients to the soil slowly so the plants can absorb them and very little nutrients are wasted. Neem cake for soil fertility and fertilizer management. Indian farmers have used deoiled neem cake as a fertilizer in their fields. The dual activity of neem cake as mainly fertilizer and pest repellent has made it a favored input. Neem leaves have been used to enrich the soil. When neem cake is plowed into the soil, it protects plant roots from nematodes and white ants. Application of the neem cake to crops provides them with various nutrients. Neem cake reduces the number of soil insect pests, fungi, bacteria, and nematodes, and also protects the crop from damage caused by these organisms. Neem cake can reduce alkalinity in the soil by producing organic acids when mixed with the soil. Why is neem cake used as a fertilizer? Neem cake is filled with several micro and macronutrients. Unlike a chemical fertilizer, neem cake releases those nutrients slowly into the soil. Then, the plants have enough time to use them in nutrition. And secondly, neem cake reduces soil-based pathogens and nematodes and works as a natural pest controller. Using neem cake as an organic slow-release fertilizer. Neem is a tree native to India and known for its great pest control properties. Neem oil is extracted from the seeds of the neem tree, and the byproduct of neem oil production is neem cakes. Then, the neem cakes are the residue left after extracting the oil. Neem cake is a good slow-release organic fertilizer. It will slowly break down and release nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium into the soil, making it obtainable for plants to use. Typical NPK for neem is 412, but ours sourced from India has an NPK of 612. Neem cakes are excellent for providing other nutrients to plants. They contain 13 to 18% of crude protein, 24 to 50% of carbohydrates, 8 to 26% of crude, to 13% of fat, 5 to 18% of ash, and 1 to 17% acid insoluble ash along with calcium and magnesium.